Losing someone you care about can leave you feeling hurt and full of regret, and many people know exactly what that feels like. But rather than letting the heartbreak consume you, you can use the experience as motivation to grow and improve yourself. There are ways to make a woman realize what she lost by focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. In this video, we will discuss 5 strategies that can make her regret ever letting you go. From changing your lifestyle to proving your value through your actions, these strategies will help you show her what she has just lost. 1. Never beg her to come back. One of the worst things a man can do after a breakup is plead with his ex to come back. It not only makes you seem desperate and emotionally dependent, but it also puts her in a position of control over your feelings and decisions. Instead of chasing after her, show that you are capable of standing on your own. A confident and self-reliant man doesn't need someone else to complete his happiness. The moment you beg for another chance, you hand over your power and make it clear that your emotional stability depends on her response. If you want her to regret losing you, focus on building confidence in yourself and your abilities. Stop wasting energy trying to convince her to come back. Put that effort into improving your life, growing as a person, and pursuing the things that truly matter to you. As she notices you thriving independently, she may begin to realize what she gave up. Remember that begging is not proof of love, it often reflects insecurity and fear of loss. Real self-respect means having the courage to walk away from someone who doesn't fully appreciate your value. By carrying yourself with confidence, independence, and peace of mind, you send a clear message that you are not someone to be taken for granted. Rather than asking her to come back, let your growth and happiness speak for themselves. 2. Don't give her any undeserved attention. One of the most important things you can do after a breakup is to stop constantly giving her your time and attention. Avoid repeatedly calling, texting, or finding excuses to be around her. If she chose to walk away, respect that choice instead of trying to convince her otherwise. Rather than chasing after her, redirect your energy toward yourself. Explore new interests, improve your skills, focus on your career, and build a life that excites you. When she notices that you're progressing and enjoying life without depending on her, it sends a powerful message. If you happen to cross paths with her, stay calm, confident, and relaxed. Don't act needy or desperate for her approval. A woman is far more likely to question her decision when she sees that you're handling the breakup with strength and maturity. Giving her space doesn't mean putting your life on hold. It simply means accepting the situation while continuing to move forward and create a better future for yourself. 3. Put your energy into yourself and your purpose. One of the most effective ways to make a woman regret losing you is to focus only on yourself and your life goals. Relationships can sometimes pull attention away from personal ambitions, which is why it's important to stay committed to your own vision and future. When she sees you working hard, making progress, and accomplishing meaningful goals, she may begin to feel that she lost someone valuable, someone driven, focused, and ambitious. To do this, start by identifying what truly matters to you and create a plan to pursue it. Don't allow distractions or outside opinions to pull you away from your path. Stay connected to your purpose and remind yourself why you started. Begin with small, achievable goals and gradually work toward bigger ones. You might focus on improving your fitness, advancing your education, building your career, or developing a new talent. Whatever direction you choose, make sure it reflects your genuine passions and interests. As you dedicate yourself to personal growth and success, your confidence and sense of fulfillment will naturally increase. That confidence becomes attractive, not only to others but also to yourself. Eventually, you'll understand that losing one relationship does not mean losing your chance at love or happiness. 4. Learn to be happy without her. One powerful way to make a woman regret losing you is to genuinely enjoy your life without depending on her presence. This isn't about pretending to be okay, it's about finding real happiness and fulfillment on your own. Spend time doing activities that excite you, pursue your interests, and stay around people who bring positivity into your life. When she notices that you're doing well and enjoying yourself without her, she may begin to realize that letting you go was a mistake. Avoid sitting around waiting for her return or tying your happiness to whether she will come back. True happiness should come from your personal growth, achievements, and inner peace. When you continue living fully and confidently without her, she'll naturally recognize the value she lost. At the same time, don't try to force her attention by showing off or intentionally making her jealous. Simply focus on living a meaningful and enjoyable life. Your confidence and positive attitude will speak louder than any attempt to prove a point. Always remember that your happiness does not depend on another person. You are capable of feeling complete on your own. By learning to thrive without her, you not only increase the chances of her regretting the breakup, but you also improve your own life and emotional well-being. 5. Meet and date other women. It may seem unexpected, but spending time with other women and going on new dates can help you move forward after a breakup. This doesn't mean rushing into rebounds or acting carelessly. Instead, it's about opening yourself to new experiences, building fresh connections, and enjoying life again. When your ex sees that you're no longer stuck dwelling on the past and that you have other opportunities in your life, it can create feelings of regret or jealousy. It also shows that you are confident, emotionally strong, and capable of moving on, qualities that many people find attractive. However, dating other women should never be done purely to manipulate your ex or make her jealous. The goal should be personal growth, healing, and discovering new relationships naturally. Treat the women you meet with honesty and respect, and never use them as tools to get a reaction from someone else. In the end, meeting new people can help you recover from heartbreak, rebuild your confidence, and remind you that one failed relationship does not define your future. At the same time, it may also make your ex realize the value of what she lost.